Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we got our hands on day one, the iPhone 14 Plus. Now this is really just the bigger version of the 14. So the specs are pretty much all the same. It doesn't do anything more special, but it's pretty large. Let's go ahead and start with the box. Now we chose to get it in red, so the foil for the Apple and the word iPhone are red, as you can see all around. And there's the back. All right, let's go ahead and get it open. There are tabs at the top and the bottom. All right. That's a very nice red. Look at that. It's more of a candy apple red, whereas the 13 of last year was more of a dark maroon, and then the year before that was like really light. All right. And even the little icons here on the paper are red. All right. So you can see not much has changed. Still got your lock button, this. Now the big change between this year and last year is there is no SIM card slot. And that's because it has two eSIMs on the inside instead of one eSIM and one physical SIM. All right, let's see what else is in the box. I'll turn this on while we're looking at the rest of the box. All right. So USB-C for the charging block, which you have to buy because it's not included. And then Lightning. There's rumors that next year they will finally go USB-C to USB-C. Something about the European Union enforcing it. All right, and then in here we have, yes, because it's product red, they donate some of the money, I believe. In partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the global fund to support HIV/AIDS and help deliver an AIDS-free generation. Learn more or donate at www.red.org. All right. And then this is normally where they give you a SIM card ejector, a little metal clip, but instead it says you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. Now for us, it's been a little hit and miss. Sometimes it works super perfect and sometimes it's just completely borked. So that's a bit of a change. Basic safety and handling information, the Apple sticker, and then there's that. And that's the entire box. All right. So this should be booted up by now. So this is what it looks like. You can tell, it looks pretty much the same as the 13. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and bring in a 13 Pro Max because they should be about the same exact size. And sure enough, they have buttons in all the same places. And then because this is the base model, not the Pro Max, it only has the two cameras instead of the extra telephoto lens. But they seem to be in pretty much similar places. And even the bumps themselves are very similar in size. We'll zoom in here a little bit. Yeah, they're about the same size, the bump. Then here, I have the lock button, and still never figured out what exactly this is. But the antennas are even in the same place. So as you can see, very incremental between the 13. And this is the first year that the base model has been offered in a larger size instead of a smaller size. And it does feel like it is exactly like the old 13 Pro Max. So now you guys can get the larger size for a lesser price. Not by much, but it's lesser. Almost missed it because it's up here instead of down here like on the 14 and 13. But the SIM card slot was up here on the 13 Pro Max. I know it's hard to see through the metallic paint, but there we go. It's clearly not here because, eSIMs. Now for the important comparison, this is a 14. You can see the camera arrays are in the same place. They look the same. That's how much larger it is side by side. Do it like this, and it's a little bit taller. But for the most part, you can see that it's really just much larger screen real estate. This is a very small increment upgrade over the 13. So unless you really want the larger size and you have the 13, the 14 looks pretty much identical to the 13 as you guys saw earlier. And even the 13 Pro Max is very similar to the 14 Plus now. And with that, I do believe that is the end of our unboxing video. Let us know down in the comments if there's anything else you'd like us to unbox, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.